we are gonna make lo mein, and we're gonna use organic whole wheat spaghetti noodles. But if you can't eat this, then you could have millet and brown rice ramen.
Or any other whole wheat or whole grain noodles. So we're just stirring a little bit more than you normally would without oil. So it's just water. So we're cooking it with no oil right now. We have it on high, but we're going to turn it down a bit as it starts to brown. Smelling good. Yep.
So I need to add some water?
Yep. Just a tad. There. And then that loosens it up. Alright, so we keep doing that until it's all caramelized. So we left it on medium-high and it's caramelizing very well. You can add a little bit more water because it's starting to stick on the bottom, and so that loosens up the brown spots and prevents it from burning. And when it loosens up the brown spots, it gives the vegetables more of a caramelized taste. Added about 2 medium-sized carrots. You could do less or more if you like.
Garlic powder.
We usually use actual garlics, but we ran out today. So if you use garlic, you can use anywhere from 3 to 5 cloves of garlic if you like, and then just mince it up. And you'll cook at the same time with the onions.
No maple syrup?
Yep, and maple syrup to give us some sweetness. Or you can use Hoisin sauce, as long as the ingredients are good.
Adding in Nappa cabbage and mushrooms.
So it's pretty full, but it cooks down. Okay.
We're gonna put a lid on it and let it cook faster.
So the Nappa cabbage and the mushrooms have cooked down now, and there's some broth on the bottom from that.
5 tablespoons of soy sauce.
So we put in the soy sauce last so that it retains the saltiness. If you put it in while you're cooking on high heat or before the recipe's done, it doesn't tend to stay that salty.
Add the noodles in and mix. Sikfan! Sikfan!
Say yummy!
Yummy!
All done. All done.
All done. Ah!